Starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are well. Dear students, in this video, we will discuss the hadith number 13. Here is the hadith. He who studies the Quran is like the owner of a tethered camel. If he attends to them, he will keep hold to them, but if he lets them loose, they will go away. Here is the parable of a tethered camel. Parable means example. Tethered is something tied or bound. Subtitle of this hadith is maintenance of Quranic knowledge. The example of the person in this text, there is the example of a person who studies the Quran is like the owner of a tethered camel. If he attends to it, he will keep it, but if he lets it loose, it will run away. In this hadith question, we have to do the write the main teachings and what's its importance in Muslims' life. So, main teachings of this hadith is firstly, it is talks about need for consistency. Spiritual knowledge requires constant effort. It is not a one-time achievement. And active engagement. The word attends implies active monitoring. A Muslim must be proactive, not passive, not lazy in their relationship with the Quran. And there is also a warning against neglect. Forgetting the Quran after learning, it is seen as a great loss and a sign of spiritual negligence. For example, if you are hufaz, but you are not reciting the Quran daily or regularly, if you will forget the Quran after memorizing, then it will the great loss and sign of spiritual negligence. Now let's see what's the importance of this hadith in Muslims' life today. What you have to do as a Muslim, you have to daily revise the Quran, setting the fixed time every day to recite the portion of the Quran, even if it's just a few verses. Tahajjud and prayers, reciting memorized surah during salah, especially sunnah and nafil prayers in tarawih, to solidify your memory, and teaching others. You Following the hadith, the best among you is he who learns the Quran and teaches it. So, teaching is the best way to revise the Quran. Next point is understanding the meaning. It is easier to remember what you understand. Studying tafsir helps the verses stick to the heart. You can also use the technology many social media apps related to Quran. You can using hifz apps or listening to recitations during commutes to keep the ears and mind familiar with the text. At the end, I want to share that the Quran is a living companion. Dear students, if you stay close to it, it stays close to you. You always link this hadith to the theme of preservation of the Quran. Like if you have the question that how we can preserve the Quran, so this hadith is the main theme about preservation of the Quran. So you can also mention that how Sahaba used this principle to keep the Quran alive in their hearts before it was compiled into a book. Dear students, that's all about this particular hadith. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you so much.